In this video, we're going to take a look at one of the applications of the payment function. You can actually use the payment function to compute two different things. The first one is the payment on a loan. So that's what we're going to look at here. So in this example, we assume we're going to borrow $50,000. And when you borrow money, the amount that you borrow is the amount that you have right now. So that's going to be $50,000. And what we're trying to compute here is the regular payment, so I've X'd that out. The number of years is going to be 30, and the periods per year, we're going to do monthly payments. That's going to be 12 periods per year. And the annual interest rate is 6%. And most of the time when you pay off a loan, the ending balance is going to be 0. Now, because I've got my formulas down here for computing the number of periods and the rate, I don't need to enter any values here. As soon as I enter these three numbers up here, these two numbers down here can be calculated for me automatically. And we are making payments at the end of the month, and the code for end is 0. Okay. Now we've got all this information filled in over here. The rest of it's pretty easy. To compute the payment, we go to the Formulas tab, go to the Financial book here, and scroll down to the P's, and we want PMT. And the rate is the rate per period, and that is going to be this number right here. The number of periods is going to be NPER, this value right here. The present value of a loan is positive, that's money that you have right now. Future value is this value right here, and as I said, that's usually going to be 0. And the type is going to be a 0 or a 1. Click on OK. And this comes up in red with parentheses around it. That indicates it's a negative number. Payment is always a negative number in Excel in all of these formulas. If you would prefer that that number be positive, just go in here and edit the formula, put a little minus sign out in front, and now you've got a positive number for the payment. And that's how you compute the payment on a loan.